we're having a bunch of different healthcare professionals come and present basically their field to the high schoolers, and a lot of them have really cool workshops.
The goal is to get the rubber bands or the string.
It's really cool to see how engaged the students are. You know, they were in working with the mannequins and touching the heart, touching the lungs, and asking questions.
Do you see the uvula right there? Yeah.
I wanted to learn more about different fields in the medical program because I want to do psychology, but some other fields seem cool, so I came here today to learn more.
Most of us are upperclassmen trying to figure out what our next steps are for college.
Emergency room nursing, nice.
It's really cool to see everybody who is already in the field kind of support and trying to get more people into their field.
For them to see that it is possible for us to be able to answer the questions about how we got here, I think that is probably the biggest benefit.